Hello everyone and welcome to That Is Cool. This teenager saves his friend's life by using the Heimlich maneuver. If you don't know, the Heimlich maneuver is used when a person is choking. It is done by rapidly pushing on the person's diaphragm in order to help the person eject the object from their throat. This is a fight between a real bug and a robotic bug. This clip really shows how strong beetles are, as they can lift several times their body weight. This is a very creative anatomy project. It is layered in such a way that shows the real complexity of the human body. It shows the arteries, the organs and the skeleton all at once. This is actually a drone show and not a video on a big screen. It is done by coordinating around 100 drones to make for an amazing sight. It will be really interesting to see what the future holds for this kind of drone shows. This plumber fights his way to the valve that shuts down the water supply. This is how automatic braking systems save lives. Please be careful when crossing the street and never cross without looking both ways. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.